All right, people, we're here in Jamaica, Montego Bay to be exact, the airport. Red Cord.
Yep.
JC Villa picked us up from the airport. So if you in Jamaica, you look for Airbnb, you look for transportation, JC Villa is the place to be. They pick you up from the airport, they bring you to the Airbnb, and if you're looking for a car to rent, also they have
Everything there.
car to rent out. They have tour guides. So big up JC Villa, and this is the, they say that's the loader right there.
Loader right here.
That's the loader.
Personal.
Wolverine. Wolverine. Hey, we missing some stuff. Hold on. Let me put my bag back there. But yeah, we about to go to JC Villa right now.
That's right now. This is yo.
JC's Villa. Okay, remote.
Where we at? Montego Bay or Montego Bay?
Montego Bay.
Montego Bay. Yeah, man. This is the exterior view of this palace right here. You see me I say? Yeah, man.
I don't even gotta say nothing. We got somebody talking in the back.
Yeah, man. It's beautiful already, guys. Amazing. You have the palm tree outside. You drive up into your own private villa entrance. You don't need better than this. And you have your own personal pickup driver out here.
Right here.
JC Villas, guys.
Yeah. Straight ahead. Straight ahead. You got the bar. Personal bar.
Oh Lord. Airbnb. You look for Airbnb?
We're gonna give you all a close-up look.
I am late. JC Villa.
I am late already.
We do have rental car. That's one of the options right there as far as rental. This is also another rental option. I think it's
at least 6
7 bedroom. See, we got pool table, bar. We're gonna get up in there.
Right, let me show you guys. 778 Avenue, Oak Village, Montego Bay. One of the residents, you know we do it. We don't mess around. Pretty sure
Because this
once
is the bar.
y'all communicate ahead of time, he'll give you all the info. I can't give it to you over the camera. Alright?
My
Pool
favorite
table.
right here. Yeah, come on.
Pool table.
Yeah, come on.
Oh, I'm sure.
My favorite right here.
It's the big boss.
We go way back.
JB.
We're friends.
And this is Red
Camera.
Cord, the biggest, baddest DJ.
In Jamaica, you know, 6
6?
for sure. About 4 Airbnb.
Yeah.
So you're walking into my little living area, 75-inch, no joke.
No joke.
No joke.
Not an inch less.
Kitchen all marble, no joke.
Oh man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so the lights are on.
Yes.
We got 50 Cent. Jeez,
You already
man.
know, man.
Hey, get rich or die
Bob
trying.
Marley.
Oh, the boss.
You gotta have Bob Marley.
Bob Marley.
You're in the islands.
This is your champagne cool fridge right here. Get a champagne cool in here.
So,
For sure.
Okay, this is his side.
this is his side.
This is not the rental
This is
side.
not
This
the
is
rental
this is
side.
his side.
His side.
As I was saying earlier, 60-inch TV, no joke. You
No
already
joke.
Alright.
The garage did messed up, as I said. The guy make it too small, so now I just create a bathroom.
What?
I can come on in. Yeah, for sure.
Oh, walk-in shower?
I already know, man.
Oh. Yeah, guys, so like I said, this is his personal space. I don't think this one is for rented, but you have to contact him and
There's money. There's money.
once the money is right and
Yes.
y'all communicate, communication is key.
Yes.
You know?
Yes.
Ooh,
Lord.
this is beautiful. So this is like a little kitchen here.
Yes.
So this is the second spot up top.
Wow.
Get the fridge.
I like
and stuff,
upstairs.
Microwave and stuff.
Upstairs, nice.
So this location have 5 kitchen.
Yeah.
Five.
Yes, sir.
5 kitchen?
So
that's a lot.
We just had the second
I
kitchen.
can't tell you love your food, you know.
I got already.
Yeah, alright. Up here cool
This is
though.
another bedroom.
Okay, this is one. Okay.
Level 5 kitchen, you know.
And this location.
Okay. Okay.
Nice.
See that? We have AC. You know that's a big problem we have in Jamaica. A lot of these spots don't have AC. We have AC. AC. That's a big deal. I don't like to be hot.
Yeah, man. You don't need no AC right as a right.
based on how the temperature is, and guys, this video is being recorded during the spring.
And you got a balcony.
You know something? Go on with it early.
Is that tape?
Yeah, man. Guys on the rim.
What I create convenient. It don't have to be a lot of space.
Yeah.
You get your own restroom, living, dining area and stuff like that.
Yeah.
You already know this is a patio.
So realistically, right?
Yeah.
Like for people that want to know, how far is your villa away from the airport? Because for me, it's close.
Alright, according to traffic,
Yeah.
and a busy traffic day can take up to 20-30 minutes. You already know we're not limited traffic. But on a regular day, it's like 10-15 minutes.
Oh, that's a
That's
win
right there. But what this? What I did notice, I saw KFC. I think it was a movie theater out there.
There's a movie.
A whole bunch of Pizza Hut, Wendy's. This is a spot to be, people.
Jerkins
Taboo.
on the beach.
This is a spot to be.
Don't forget the beach.
The beach, exactly.
Oh, don't forget the beach.
Yeah.
What's that? Is that Margarita? Margaritaville? Margaritaville right there.
Yeah.
Margaritaville like 7 minutes away. 27. Taboo is like 2 minutes away.
Prime time location, guys. Prime location.
Look at guys. Look at one that mango pine tree here.
Ah. If you want to rent the range.
Another side right there.
Another side of the downstairs area.
Okay, we're going to another side. We went to 2 rooms so far, guys.
So you go in to another room downstairs.
Okay.
I already lost track, guys. There's so many rooms.
This is room 3.
Room 3?
Yeah.
But either way,
Room 10.
look at that. Look at those beautiful stairs. Red light.
One from up there.
No red light behavior.
Oh, that's one from upstairs.
You can catch one from up there. There's a bigger one upstairs.
Oh, okay.
Oh, this is like red light district. We already know what goes on down here.
Oh, man.
So this is another kitchen area.
Wow.
Okay.
Kitchen area.
Couch, stove.
This is the 3rd kitchen, guys.
Yeah.
What? The thing that I like, you have a kitchen with
Everyone.
every room have a kitchen with
Every room cool, too.
So it's like your own private.
Okay, this sleep, too. We got
Another one.
2 full bed.
Yes, it's a twin.
Oh, twin.
Yes, a kitchen.
Wi-Fi available.
Yeah. Kitchen.
This room you have like twin beds.
Yes.
So if you have kids,
Okay.
or not even kids, adults, and you want to split the room and the price together, this is the room for you. And this is solid. What is it? Pitch pine and Mahalan.
That's why it's all saying. Later on in life, if Airbnb go to business, we turn to apartment.
Yeah.
We already have every room have its own meter and stuff and box right here.
Yeah.
So later on, if I want to switch from that, you're already ready to rent.
Okay. Everything's set.
Everyone connect with their own water,
Yeah.
their own light.
Mud.
So you already think ahead of time.
So
So
I'm 20 years ahead of time
Einstein.
and I'm a Jamaican.
Epstein, Einstein.
You already know.
You know?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
So if you go upstairs, you don't have to travel outside. You can travel through the building.
Oh.
Right now we're catching all the view. We're gonna
view,
get
yeah.
everything. You already know.
Yeah, like this, I just put
Yeah, man. Turn off and cut through.
I walked up to on the
We're on the west side.
On the west side.
It's like room number 4, guys.
So right here,
No.
right here,
Storage.
is the washing machine, dryer in here,
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
and there's an outside restroom here also,
What?
country style.
and the washing machine in here.
Okay.
So,
Country style.
if you want to
Outside
experience,
restroom, other room. This is the 4th kitchen, guys.
4th kitchen.
Yes,
The 4th kitchen.
4th kitchen right here.
Man, this about to be your own video. I'm about to just do this separate. No, what I'm saying, I was gonna do day 1, but this is gonna be just JC Villa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kitchen number 4. Yo,
All these rooms cool.
this house is
Oh,
This room connect to that room. This is a 2-bedroom area.
got a twin.
This couch have a queen bed in it. You just take it up, pull it out.
Oh, this is a 2-bedroom?
This area fits 6 person.
Oh, nice.
So the queen bed back there and this, and also the
pull
queen
out?
in here, yeah.
Okay, so it's a pull-up bed.
And around here now you have another room and restroom.
Locked off.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's nice. Yeah, man, I'm fridge on. When they get done on the fridge, on the kitchen, everything, guys, everything comes with this villa. And once again,
Another room. And if you notice, guy, every room have a different kind, different look of bathroom, everything different
Yes.
about every room.
look at this. This is not your regular twin bed. The man not just
Look on the
no,
style.
regular bed full.
Match the
Look at
time.
this.
Go with the time.
Leather, snake skin, crocodile skin from upper
It's outside.
Where you call it?
Outside.
One of them place there.
Yes.
Yes.
Get some fresh air.
That's it. See? Outside sink again.
Remember the other room? The other room was over
From
there,
that
guys.
side, you can see the same view, guys.
Room 3 right over there.
Yeah, man.
For sure.
So if it's a lot of y'all can connect to all the rooms. You have access to them.
Yeah.
You have access. You just as long as you have the key.
Put them things together and money together.
Not even that. They all the rooms can connect. See? Got that.
The light up.
Now we're going upstairs.
Yeah. Up top.
If you're scared of heights,
Yeah, man.
this is what you call.
Another room.
And the staircase, guys, is not
So this is the fifth kitchen right here.
steel. Steel metal. Yeah, man.
Yeah, this makes more sense.
Yes,
Yeah.
Yeah. Because if you worry about safety and fire,
Remember we was down there earlier?
this right here,
It's all connected,
there's a
guys.
traction type of control from the actual staircase on the floor.
That's good. It's slip resistant.
Yeah, slip resistance. Yeah? Yeah.
So this is another.
Room number 5.
It's the room, bro. It's the room.
That's the
Room number 5. Another full kitchen.
No, yeah, number 6.
Oh, this number 6?
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at it.
Oh, I didn't even see this. You gotta give a close up on this.
Guys. You can see the design.
It's nice. Every room is designed different.
This is the room I went upstairs first and then.
I'll make it into tutu.
Yeah.
We'll come with the fire extinguisher and safety first.
All right.
Down bottom, please.
You know something I noticed? Each room you walk in,
Look, high ceiling. Don't forget the high ceiling.
vibes to it.
It's similar with that different.
Similar, but
Different, yeah. Different.
Okay,
you walk in and you like,
I like this room.
yeah, this room is
This is my room right here.
Come on, like I said, we get the personal. Dress us, I don't know how to put it
I just want to be questioning.
Put in that.
A room like this, what's the life for this room?
Personal.
Alright, if you book through me, downstairs one fit 6 person. So you book through Airbnb is unlimited price, start from 13,000 up.
Yeah.
Down to the season. You know what I mean?
So it's cheaper to book through you.
Yes, for
Okay,
sure.
that's what's
They
up.
know we're from the hood and we always try to look out. You know what I mean?
JC Lizen, go direct to the
JC
source.
JC's
Villa.
Villa. Custom too.
Oh, this is custom, okay.
Yeah, custom. That's
Oh, nice.
Have a different
Different,
setting
yeah,
of tiles,
Yeah.
different countertops,
Yeah.
Yeah.
furniture,
Yeah.
the whole
Restroom
thing
also.
is that,
Yeah.
different. So.
Yeah. You know, a
Depending on
lot
what
of
you
times.
like, you know.
Yeah.
A lot of times.
There you go, to
Look at them Crocs.
Crocodile.
jacuzzi up top, y'all. Jacuzzi
Yo.
up top.
Don't mess around, my security stay.
Security, live security.
He's everywhere. He's everywhere.
No joke.
He do a little bit of everything.
He's the unfuck the bad guy. The bad guy. The man at the moment.
Jacuzzi.
Jacuzzi, TV.
If you're into that type of life, this is it right here.
Jacuzzi, hot
We
tub,
got the TV, we got a hot tub, we got everything.
everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A room up here also, you know.
What's that?
Oh, for real?
Room number 6. Wow.
Oh shit.
Oh, this is number 7.
Oh, 7. Oh, this is 7. See, I'm wrong. 7.
So how many bedrooms do you have?
7.
Oh, 7, yes.
7 bedrooms.
So there's
Yo.
a restroom in here too. Check it out.
This is not what I serious about.
This is what you call taking advantage of every little inch you have.
Yo, the room nice.
This will be my room with
Okay,
the hot tub and everything.
Exactly.
Much, man. It's 8,000 Jamaican.
That's it.
With the hot
Yeah.
tub,
And the hot tub, what if I want to use hot tub?
The hot tub is open for everyone.
Okay, yeah.
Although
Okay.
the hot tub work now, if you're gonna use the hot tub, you gotta report to management once I have a lot of guests.
Yeah.
So you have 2 hours to the hot tub.
you have
Space,
a,
yeah.
Okay.
Makes sense.
Makes sense.
You already know. So if current went out, I already have a plan connected to the house and just chipped in.
Solar power.
Yeah, water went out.
Got water. We got water. Okay.
I already have a pump.
Well
chipped
thought
in
out.
also.
So yeah, backup system in place.
Everything already locked.
Nice. Y'all hear that, guys?
Life is good, man.
Life is great.
Can't complain.
No better
Nice
than-
view of the mountain.
Look at that. Nice view.
It is a nice view.
city.
Oh, that's a cruise ship right there.
Oh yeah. I see it right there. Cruise ship over there.
You're right by the pier.
Yeah, let's go, man. Nice. So we want to fly out or cruise out.
How about smoking a cigar, having a light drink, and have
You always can smoke outside, not inside the building.
some mamacitas in the jacuzzi?
On the way tough.
Yeah.
What's on? Bishop told me to make it.
Great start, Mick.
Yeah.
Also, all of these house used to be like that house.
Well,
Every
I
house
come
you
in
see
there.
around here used to be like that.
Like a holding scheme.
I remember this house.
Yeah.
You come already doing?
Yeah.
When?
Yes, people, make sure you go check out JC Village. They have multiple locations in Kingston, in Hanover, in Montego Bay, wherever you are in Jamaica. Trust me, there is JC Village. One thing I like about JC Village, they're very professional, well put together, and that's what I like the most about them. Go check them out, Airbnb. And if you can't find them on Airbnb, hit me up in the inbox, and I'll definitely point you in the right direction. Shout out to JC Village. I definitely enjoyed this tour. And this is my second JC Village I've been to, and I want to say everything is well put together. Quality. Yes.
All right, guys, as you can see, JC Villas, Montego Bay, Galtego Bay as they call it, Jamaica. If you're in the area, you're looking for a car, you're looking for somewhere nice to have an Airbnb or something that's close to all your needs and wants, right? This is the tourist attraction area, right? We have Margaritaville over there. We got movies. All the tourist stuff is right there. The cruise line is right over there. Check them out. JC Villas on Airbnb. I think it's also jcvillas.com. I'm not sure, but I drop it in the description to let you guys know. He has rental cars. He has tour guides. Shoot, if you look for, I don't know if he's renting, but I would rent one of these rooms just to live. Like every room has its own kitchen. It's 7-bedroom here, and all of them have their own kitchen. I love it. Then you got the pool. Then yeah, I like it. JC Villa, big up yourself, JC Villa. Y'all gotta go check them out. Check them out on Airbnb. I drop all the description and links and everything down there in the description. I'm gonna drop everything down there. Go check them out, man. Tell them Prime Time Lando sent you. You're gonna get a discount. I promise you get a discount. JC Villa. Appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. It's your boy Lando, and you know what it is, man. We in J. I am the man, dude.